going to make a bird box at the front of the guitar. 2 old bores from the panel of the door. I've pinned them together. These are going to be the sides. I'm going to do the slope for the roof, and I'm going to make it a bit more shallow, bring it down to about maybe 3.5 inches. Okay, so you take that off so no sharp edges. There, 6 3/4. Okay, put the wee square, put it at an angle. Oh. Saw claw. Okay, I'll make the roof in the front. That's going to be our base. It's a bit thick at the moment, so we'll have to reduce that. A nail punch. Sink it in. Bird box is all glued, set. Just need to cut a roof now. So that's 5 1/8. So we'll give it 3/4 overhang. That'll make it 6 5/8, or in metric 6 5/8. That's about almost 170 mil. And this way, the roof 4 inches. Give it 1.25 inch overhang. So 5 1/4. I'm going to cut them, these boards now. Try to use gravity. I'm just beveling these in, or chamfering, okay, so the rain doesn't lie on it. Don't go all the way because you'll split it, so turn it, so go about 2/3 and then go to this side. Yeah, that's nice. And here we go. A lot easier planing along the grain. Oh, time to bore. Oh, this is a 32 mil bit. Right, I've just marked out for the roof on the fretboard, so it'll house in here. Two pieces of wood here, angled to go on the inside of the birdhouse guitar. Glue them, screw them on here, and then place this over it and glue and pin this to keep it nice and secure. Okay, so bit of glue back here. Okay. them fixed on, I'm going to cut down here now so the birds can go in. Here's the file. Right here we have a nice birdhouse. And there, be down in there. Stop the cat's paw getting, won't reach down in there. So, that's good. Right. Let's see from this end. Okay, that's it there. Vinyl acetate. It dries clear. I noticed in America that senior wood glue seems to be like a yellow color. So. Anyway, some glue in here. Oh. I can see the lines there, just push it over slightly there. Okay, press that down.